What is going on, guys? Chase here, back with a trading video. I haven't really done this. This is a start to my channel. I'm going to be documenting basically me trading, learning to become profitable. I've been studying ICT now for about a year and basically just now starting to get back into trading, and I'm going to just give you a recap. And if you guys are just now tuning into trading, if you guys do want to just watch, kind of see what other beginners do, you are not alone. So we're going to be going here and we're going to be trading and seeing if I can become profitable. Alright guys, so I started off the day taking a paper trade here on MNQ. This was a good setup that I saw at that 10 a.m. ICT. So obviously we saw that big candle up here. And then obviously we saw that manipulation. It was just not creating any new levels really. Obviously we have that high here. Did not take out that high. We kept falling back to these support levels. So what I saw was we broke out of that range and tested this big fair value gap. Once we tested this big fair value gap, I kind of went and looked on bigger time frames. So I'll go to the 1 minute to usually the 5 and then the 15. But right now, this is kind of the trade that I was seeing on a bigger time frame. Obviously, right here, we had that fair value gap again. So we're kind of testing back into that fair value gap on a bigger time frame. All right, so obviously, we're moving in kind of towards a downtrend right now. But it was a beautiful setup that I had to take. So if you go back on the 1 minute, kind of scroll in here a little bit. Basically, when price broke out of here, tapped into that fair value gap, rejected it completely, bullish hammer, that's where I got in on my entry, and I think I took my stops like roughly around like here. Because right here, once it broke that low, I was like, alright, I'm out, because it didn't really believe it was going to make any higher highs, and we were feeling really bearish on the day. So I kind of just did a quick little scalp play and I was out for the day. That was kind of the only trade I took. But what I've been learning is ICT strategies. So I've been trying to get these breakouts. I've been trying to learn a little bit more about fair value gaps. So, and the smart money maker models. And so basically right here, I watched a video on this, the money maker models. Basically, what I kind of learned here in a good trade to take off this is like a textbook type of play right here. Today was really a textbook day. Obviously, we saw just literally just going down in a downtrend, creating new higher lows, just keep going down. But here, we saw a test all the way down, and then we saw a flip. So if you guys can see here, this was that previous higher low that we saw. Went down again, really rejected this low, ended up breaking to this other higher low down here. So that's a sign of a reversal, but I didn't get in quite here. I wanted to see some more, and I didn't get in on this trade at all, but I was just kind of watching the market. I wanted to see another confirmation. So obviously right here, we saw a fair value gap right here. So after breaking this kind of high right here, I was like, we might see a reversal. Break down to that fair value gap. I was like, all right, if I was to enter, I was going to enter here. So I entered here, let it rode out a little bit, and then I was going to put my stops around this candle because if it ended up closing below the fair value gap, then I was like, okay, we're still in a downtrend, a little bit of a failed reversal there. But it rejected that fair value gap. It accepted that again. And once it respected that again, I was like, all right, we could see it going up here. And then basically, if you would have rode that trade out, you would have gotten a lot. So that was a really of a textbook play here. But the reason why, guys, I am trading ICT is because I think it's one of the most starter-friendly kind of strategies that has such a good win rate. Shout out to Jack Trades if you are watching this. Big inspiration to me. But yeah, so that's kind of the trades that I took today. But again, for today, I've kind of been focusing on fair value gaps, trying to learn better ICT strategies, and overall, it was a good day today. And again, make sure I'm going to be posting these quick little videos every day for like a series. So again, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video. And again, if you guys want to trade with me and some buddies every single morning and actually want to learn how to make a lot of money online, we do other things like reselling, Amazon FBA, clothing brands, basically anything A to Z. All you have to do is go to the first link in my description. We're going to have a Discord completely free that you guys can trade with us every morning and everything from A to Z. So if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.